Hello everybody! Today I'm just going to show you a quick way to use the Bead Aid to string your thread or yarn with beads. So this is if you need to place a lot of beads on your thread at one time. You can also use the Bead Aid to place individual beads around a stitch or a picot, but we'll talk about that another day. So a Bead Aid comes in a 2-pack, and it is a piece of bent wire that has that's still connected because it's bent. One side's longer than the other, and all you do is take your thread and put it in between the long and short sides and bring it down to the bent corner, I guess. And then you can use this to put your beads on. So you can even pick them up from down here if you want. You make sure that the bead has slipped over both of the legs of your Bead Aid, not just one, because that's not going to get us a string of beads like we need, but both of the legs, and then you can pop them down onto your thread. And you can even use it to pick them up if you need to. So if you had a sticky bead mat, which I'll demonstrate another day, that would also be nice, but you can just pre-string your beads just like that with your Bead Aid, and then your thread just comes right out. So I love the Bead Aid. They're really handy, and I use them a lot when I am tatting and knitting. So if you are looking for a tool, this might be an option for you. Hopefully me showing you how to use the Bead Aid today has been useful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, follow, and all of those good things at Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and TikTok. And give me a like if you thought that this was a useful video.